na tinanong sa akin, kasya na ba po ang 500 pesos? Then I said, yes, kasya ng 500 pesos. But it depends on the number of the family members. Kasi usually, ang family members na kasya itong 500 is mom, dad, and 2 children. So, ngayon, yung ibang family members naman po ay mother and let's say daughter or son, or father and then daughter or son, or can be mother, father, and 1 child. So yun po yung explanation ko dun sa 500 pesos. But again, the Noche Buena celebration or Noche Buena handa will depend on the number of family members or even extended relatives that will be joining the Noche Buena celebration. But when they asked the 500 pesos, this meant that when I explained, this is for, again, mother and father and 2 children. And then this guy, we got these prices from the price set by the DTI, which is this Noche Buena price guide list. In fact, itong price guide list, nandito po ito sa social media ng DTI at saka nandun din sa website ng DTI and nakapaskil din po ito sa groceries and supermarkets. So just to set the record straight, where we got the 500 pesos is for a family of 4, meaning mother, father, or basta 4 sila sa pamilya, meron na po itong Christmas ham na 170 pesos. And then yung spaghetti, which is the spaghetti noodles and the spaghetti sauce. So the noodles is 30 pesos. This is all from, again, we got this from the price guide. Dito lang kami nag-base. So the 30 pesos for the noodles and the 48.50 for the sauce. 48 pesos and 50 centavos. So a total of 78.50 for the spaghetti. Ngayon for the macaroni salad, we have the macaroni noodles, 40 pesos and 95 centavos. The mayonnaise is 55 pesos and the cheese is 56 pesos and 50 centavos. So a total of 152 pesos. Tapos kung you also want fruit salad for this, actually we made 3 options But you can, of course, you can make many options, no? So for this, we had also fruit salad. So the fruit cocktail, which is 61 pesos and 75 centavos, and the all-purpose cream, which is 36 pesos and 50 centavos, which is a total of 98 pesos and 25 centavos. And then plus the Pinoy Pandesal of 27 pesos and 75 centavos, and this is 10 pieces. So total of 526 pesos and 95 centavos. So dito namin siya kinuha. Ngayon, if you want a Noche Buena handa na isa lang ang salad, meaning mamimili lang tayo, no? Macaroni salad or fruit salad, mababawasan po ito ng dito sa macaroni salad, mababawasan siya ng 152 pesos and 45 centavos. So, we are complete. Wait, hold on. I'll get my other list. Spaghetti, macaroni salad, Pinoy Pandesal. So, ang total nito is 428 pesos and 70 centavos. Ito po siya. So, tinanggal ko dito yung fruit salad. Kasi dalawa na yung salad So, baka you want isang salad lang. So, we still have around 72 pesos left. So dito sa 72 pesos, pwede na po tayo magdagdag ng luncheon meat, which is 41 pesos, corned beef, which is 34 pesos, which is from the basic necessities and prime commodities naman. So, again, this is option number 2. Tapos dito naman sa option number 3, kung you prefer fruit salad and ayaw mo na ng macaroni salad, magiging ang total niya, so you still retain the Christmas ham, the spaghetti, the fruit salad, Pinoy Pandesal, ang total naman niya ay 374 pesos and 50 centavos. So meron kang excess na 125 pesos. So with this 125 pesos, pwede na po tayo magdagdag ng other items. So in other words, for as we got the 500 pesos price guide or 500 pesos amount from the Noche Buena price guide that was set by the DTI or that was given out by the DTI.